To the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. They have these red apples here. I didn't see them before. Aren't they pretty, guys? Okay, I'm gonna grab 2 of those. Absolutely beautiful. So there they are in red. Let's see what we have here. This is the display in the middle of the floor here. Okay, so this is some old stock, and here's some angels. And then they have these. Bless our home. This one says keep life simple. Let me see the lemons. Let's see. This says when life gives you lemons, make something sweet. And that's right. Then you have these candles here. This is old stock. Namaste. Look how cute. So they have these little trinket trays. This is a pineapple, the cactus. I think that's an elephant. I'm not sure. So then you have the unicorn, you have the mermaid tail. Look at the llama. The llama's so cute, and you have some more mermaid tails in the back. Now these are new, guys. So this one says bless our home and all who enter. This one says welcome to the jungle. Okay. This one says believe in magic. Let's see. Be grateful always. So they have, these are really nice. Let's see what else they have. So they have this world's best teacher, happy Teacher's Day, and then they have these puzzle pieces with some scriptures on it. I think those were here before Easter. And then you have some essential oils by luminescence, and you have some iridescent candle holders. So if we come around this way, okay, so we have love makes the house a home. Some more of these. I like this one here that says gather, and this one says dinosaur, dinosauring, best family ever. This is nice, and there's no place like home. I like this gather one. It's really nice. Then that one says I teach. What's your superpower? That's cute. We have some crosses, the galvanized crosses, and then we have those ceramic decor over there. This is a pumpkin, I guess. Here's some candle holders, and here's some graduation stuff. This says last flame before the rain. Oh look, they have the dad stuff out. So this one says super dad and best dad ever. See that, guys? So let's see what's over here. Okay, on this side over here we have hats off to you for the graduation. This one says future misses, the journey begins. It's the macaroons. Then Arness is blessed. Okay, some graduation mugs here. Some graduation stuff there, and some more candle holders along the bottom. So here you have the Paisley dishes on this end cap, and then this one here says you're one in a melon. Let's see, this one here says bloom where you are planted. I really love that saying, guys. Then that one over there says enjoy the ride. Isn't that beautiful, these two together? I love that. So this one says get it while it's hot. Mug shot, stuck on you. I'm really liking those mugs. Okay, and then you have some coffee cups there, and then you have some like soup bowl cups up there. So they have these key covers. So there's an ice cream cone, and there's a cupcake right there. Let's see what other kind they have. These are the donuts. Those are the cupcakes, and then they have these unicorn headbands, and then over here they have the planner stickers. So they have that kind, they have that kind. I like those. Very nice. So if we start over here, they have these lollipop, raspberry cotton candy, iridescent wrapped lollipops. Then you have these marshmallow gummy treats, and this is the unicorn. There's the cat. I think that's the narwhal. And then there's a rainbow. Then they have these babe and sleigh. I like the sleigh. Frozen jumbo eraser. Wow, that's pretty big. So then on the end over here, they have these luggage tags with the unicorn and the rainbow, the watermelon and the avocado. Then they have the tassel key rings. I love those. I'm sorry guys, these people are talking loud. Then they have these. I never seen these. Okay. May collection. So Cry Baby, Stay Wild. Let's see what else they have here. Then you have some of these vanilla sugar lotion. And they have these novelty pens. And they have these erasers. I'm trying to see if I see anything new. This is a shoehorn with an extendable wand. I don't know if I showed you that before. So let me pick this up. All right, so let's see. Over here they have some lip balm, watermelon, and they have these. This spaced out, and this one says yum. Those are nice. So then they have they have these Art Glow toys, mini toys. Then they have these key rings in the shape of the donut. And those come in colors, and then the pom-poms down here. This is in the shape of the heart. They come in many shapes here. I think these are sushi, I'm not sure. Then they have these and the iridescent ones over there. So let's see what's on the other side, guys. All right, so on this side they have the everyday stickers. These are nice, these are the hearts. Then they have this kind. They have all different kinds. That's the little animals, monkeys, stickers, the flowers. Let's see. And those. So then they have these these are stickers. Okay, these are trolls, and they come with the little coloring pens. Then these are unicorn puppy stickers right there. Then they have these. Did not binge watch. I did just okay. Take out, nah. And cook dinner. Then they have these mermaid party hats and some more of those key rings. Then over here, this is cute. I didn't cancel plans, did the laundry. Took my medicine, I made dinner, worked out. I like those stickers. Those are kind of cute. And these, exhausting, tired. Those are really nice too. Yeah, these things are so funny. Screen time. I was on time. 8 o'clock. Taco day. That's enough. And then you have these totes down here. They have, I don't know what that is. Okay. These pens, and then they have these pens over here. They have the puffy ones and the mermaid tail. And then they have these humongous ones right here. Then they have the flamingo. That's the flamingo one. So here they have some more of those puffy stickers. Aren't they pretty, guys? Then they have some more of these prayer boxes. I don't know if you've seen these. So these are the prayer boxes. And then these are the prayer cards. They come in these boxes right here. Somebody took those out of the box. So then they have this. These notebooks are so cute. I love them. This girl won't stop. You see, strong as the new pretty. And I think that's it. Then they have these diamond rings. I think there's something inside. What is that? A genie surprise. Then they have these notebooks. These little notepads. Some more of those here, the little summer lights. So here we have the diamond shaped makeup brush cleaner, the silicone brush cleaner. Isn't that nice in the diamond shape? They also have it in the unicorn shape, and they have it in the watermelon shape, and what else? The pineapple shape. That's really neat. Here they have the buttons for decorating. Well, I use them for crafting. And this is the playing cards, pink is the new black. Here's some more of the, I love these, the avocado key rings. They have the fans over here. And guys, don't you think these cats are like really weird faces? These are squishies. Okay, so they have This is all the novelty stuff that they have over here, guys. So, oh look, they even have some jewelry. Earrings. Okay. And some lip balms over here. Then they have some more of the stickers on this side. And what are these? More of the poofy headbands. So, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out these end cap goodies. And I'll see you in the next video.